Application of microswitch in automobile. Hello, Dongnan. Open the trunk. WS3, WS6, WS8, and so on can be used for trunk locks. SS6, WS1 can be used for seats and seat belt testing and control. The MS5, MS6, KW1R can be used for central control and ignition device. KW4A, KW1R can be used for power control of cosmetic mirror lights. WS8, WS9 can be used for electronic rearview mirrors. WS5, WS6, WS8 can be used for test, unlock, and open the electric suction door. WS1L can be used for EV charging cover. WS3, WS5 can be used for EV charging gun. KW4A can be used for OBC AC/DC conversion. WS1, WS5 can be used for sunroofs. BS1 can be used for signal testing the hood. WS6 can be used for brake test.